The U.S. Army made a significant leap forward in modern warfare capabilities with the successful flight test of the Precision Strike Missile, PrSM, Increment 1. Launched from a high-mobility artillery rocket system, HIMARS, at Vandenberg Space Force Base, California, this test highlighted the missile's potential to reshape future military engagements. The PrSM promises to bolster the Army's Long-Range Precision Fires, LRPF, program, offering a powerful new tool in the fight for dominance in multi-domain operations. The PrSM is engineered as a next-generation surface-to-surface missile system that offers enhanced precision, longer range, and greater flexibility. With the successful flight over the Pacific Ocean, the missile demonstrated its ability to maintain a controlled trajectory, setting a new standard in missile technology. The test confirmed the missile's readiness to provide an effective, flexible, and reliable strike capability against high-value targets. As a replacement for the aging Army Tactical Missile System (ATACMS), the PrSM is a major step forward. The missile boasts a maximum range of over 400 kilometers, significantly extending the reach of the Army's artillery forces. This leap in range opens up a host of strategic advantages, allowing for deep strikes against key enemy targets far beyond traditional frontline positions. With the ability to carry 2 missiles per launch pod missile container, LPMC, the PrSM offers double the payload compared to its predecessor, ATACMS. One of the most notable aspects of the PrSM is its integration with existing launcher systems. Both the M270A2 Multiple Launch Rocket System, MLRS, and the M142 HIMARS are fully compatible with the new missile, ensuring seamless integration into the Army's current artillery framework. This backward compatibility removes the need for additional infrastructure and makes PrSM a cost-effective upgrade to existing systems. The PrSM's design also prioritizes survivability in contested environments. The missile is built to withstand high-threat scenarios, including modern anti-access and area denial, A2/AD, systems. Its ability to comply with both insensitive munition and cluster munitions standards ensures safety while adhering to international legal standards. Developed with an open systems architecture, the PrSM is highly adaptable and ready for future upgrades. Currently, Increment 1 of the missile system is designed to target both moving ground and maritime targets. However, future increments promise even greater advancements. Increment 2 will enhance the missile's lethality, while Increment 3 will further extend its operational range. Operationally, the PrSM provides a versatile, all-weather, 24/7 precision strike capability. It can engage a wide range of targets, from enemy air defenses and missile launchers to critical infrastructure. The missile's ability to strike from standoff distances allows U.S. and Allied forces to shape the battlefield before direct engagement, disrupting enemy command centers and degrading their ability to mount coordinated attacks. With the latest test marking a key milestone, the PrSM's ongoing development signals a major shift in the Army's approach to long-range strike capabilities. This missile will play a central role in future high-intensity conflicts, enhancing the Army's ability to conduct precision strikes over extended distances, ultimately ensuring technological superiority on the battlefield.